In this video, I want to show you an extremely powerful Go High Level offer that you can sell to small businesses that will generate them leads using QR codes. Now, QR codes are a powerful tool when it comes to offline marketing. For example, businesses can put QR codes on any business cards, flyers, brochures, on their storefront windows, on any tables, and so on and so forth. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can generate these QR codes using Go High Level, and then I'm going to show you how to use these QR codes to help the business generate even more leads without having to spend any money on marketing. So guys, this is the blueprint of everything that we're going to be doing. It's going to be extremely simple. First, we're going to generate a custom QR code for the local business, and we can actually do this straight inside of Go High Level now. This is a new feature that Go High Level released not that long ago. So before, we would have to use like a third-party company to do this, and a lot of times we would have to pay for that company. But since a lot of you guys already have Go High Level, luckily we can now do this inside of their platform. So after we're done creating a custom QR code for the small business, what we're going to do next is program this QR code to take the lead to an offer page like this. In this page right here, we'll have a really good offer that leads can't resist. And this is going to be a simple page, which I'll show you how to build out later. Now, after someone opts into this page, they're going to be taken to this thank you page right here. The lead will get their offer, and the business owner will now collect that lead and all of their information. So now that we got all of this out of the way, let's jump inside of Go High Level and build all of this out. So here we are inside of Go High Level. And the first thing that we're going to need to do is generate that QR code for the small business. So if we just come over here to where it says sites, and we come over here, you're going to see this option right here that says QR codes. As you can see here, this is a fairly new feature. So if we just click right here is where we can start generating QR codes for our clients. So if I just click on create new, the first thing that we can do to build out this QR code is give it a name. So let's just say that I'm going to build this entire system for a restaurant. So for the name, I can just add the name of the restaurant. So for this example, I'm just going to do ABC restaurant. And now if we take a look right here, we're going to get two options. We can either connect the business's review link to this QR code, which will help them get more reviews, or we can take them to a separate landing page. And this is what we're going to do because we're going to want to have it so whenever a lead scans this QR code, they're taken to our offer page. So let's just go ahead, click on next. Now this is what our QR code looks like so far. And right here, we're just going to want to add the domain to our offer landing page. Right now, we don't have a domain, so we can just leave this like that. And later on, we're going to come back and add our domain right here. So for now, let's just go ahead, click on next. Now right here is where we can customize this QR code. So if I come over here, I can change this to whatever I want. And this is going to be the background of the QR code. Let's just keep this white. And right here is the color of the dots. So you can change that to whatever you want. You can change the border. And then right here, you can change this as well. Now I recommend that you just keep this black because that's how most QR codes look like. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and add the brand colors of your client to this QR code. So let's just say that this is my client right here. To get their exact brand colors, we can use a Chrome extension called Color Eye Picker. And what this Chrome extension will do is give us their exact brand colors. If we just go over here, hover over their brand color, we can click on it, and we're just going to want to copy this number right here. Now if we go back to add the business's brand colors to this QR code, we can just paste that number right here. And just like that, the color is going to change. We can also do that right here and right here. And now that you're done customizing the color, we come over here. We can also change how this QR code looks. There's a bunch of different options that we can choose from. And once we're done with that, we can change the marker border. And then right here, we can change the marker center. And then if you want to add a logo, we can go ahead and do so. And there's a bunch of icons that we can use as well. So for example, if you want to take someone to the business's Facebook page, you can do this, or their Google My Business listing, or Google review page. And then if your client's collecting payment, you can do one of these icons. Or what a lot of people do is just add the business's logo right here. So if you wanted to do that, you can just upload that right here. And then once you're done with that, we can come over here to the page background. Instead of just having a white background, you can go ahead and add an image if you want to. And then right here, you can change the transparency of that image. And then once you're done customizing this QR code for your client, you can go ahead and download this right here. But since we haven't added the domain of our landing page to this QR code yet, right now, let's just go ahead and save this because we're going to want to come back to this and add our domain later. So here we go. Here's our QR code, and you can manage a bunch of different QR codes right here. But now that we have our QR code, let's go ahead and build out this simple landing page with that really good offer. So this is a simple two-step funnel that I built out for that QR code. So whenever someone scans that QR code, they're going to be taken to this funnel right here. In this funnel, the offer that we're going to be using is a free breakfast. So if we just go over here, I'm going to show you the funnel. So this is what the funnel looks like, and this is just a simple page where someone can opt in for a free breakfast. So right here, the lead can go ahead, fill out their email. Once they click on claim my coupon, they're going to be taken to this thank you page. And right here is a simple thank you page. And this is the lead's free breakfast coupon that they can use. So this is just a simple funnel promoting that free breakfast offer. And whatever offer that you guys are doing, you guys can build out a similar funnel like this. You can just add your offer right here, add an image or a video, and then add an area where someone can fill out a form and opt into this offer. Now, when someone opts into this landing page, a couple automations are going to trigger. So I'm going to show you what that looks like now. So this is the automation for that free breakfast funnel. So if we come over here, once someone fills out that form on that funnel, this automation is going to trigger. And the the first thing that's going to happen is the lead who opts into this funnel will get a tag, and this tag will just let us know that they came from that funnel. And then what's going to happen next is they're going to be updated in our pipeline, and they're going to be put inside of the stage that says new leads. And then after that, your client will get an internal notification. So this will just let the business owner know that someone opted into that offer. It's going to give them the lead's details right here. And then after that, the lead will get an email, and this email is just going to thank them for opting in. And it's also going to give them that coupon inside of this email as well. And then if you want to, you can add an SMS, but you don't have to. And this is just a simple automation that'll take care of everything in the back end. So now that we have a funnel promoting a really good offer and we have the automation built out, let's go ahead and connect this funnel with that QR code. So to do that, you're going to want to connect a domain to your funnel. And once you do that, to get this domain, we can just view this page, copy the domain of this funnel. Once we have that copied, we can go back and we can go over here to QR codes, click on our QR code. And then right here where it says website URL, we're just going to want to paste in that URL right here. And now we can go ahead and save this. And there we go. Our QR code is all set up and ready to go. So now we can actually go over here, click on these three dots, and we can go ahead and download this QR code for our client. So here we go. So now your client can put that QR code wherever they want. So for this example, let's say that they put it on the window of their storefront. If I'm a lead and I want to claim that offer, all I have to do is take my phone, scan this QR code right here. And then once I do that, I'm going to be taken to this offer page right here where I can opt into that free breakfast. So all I have to do is enter my email. Once I do that, I'm going to be taken to the thank you page. That automation is going to trigger. I'm going to receive my offer, and the business owner will collect my information, and I'll officially become a lead. So guys, this is a really simple process that we can build out for a business owner, and this is going to help the business owner collect a ton of leads offline, and this is going to be extremely easy for us to set up. And once we have all of this set up, it's going to be ready to go. All of this is going to work on autopilot, and there's going to be little to no maintenance on our end. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. That's how you can set up and sell this QR code offer with GoHighLevel. Also, if you guys are new to GoHighLevel, I will have an exclusive 30-day free trial link down below, so be sure to check that out. Also, if you guys want done for you premium GoHighLevel snapshots, you guys can check out our Snapshot Vault down below as well. And then finally, if you guys got some value from this video, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.